guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll show you guys if you have a Ford Taurus with a 3.5 engine guys, or 3.7, I think they use most 3.5, and you're trying to locate and replace oil pump guys, we'll explain what needs to be done, where the oil pump is located and all that stuff. We'll have a whole video from start to finish on that 3.5 engine on our channel, and it can be found in the description of the video below, but this is a short video that explains where the pump is and how to get to it, what needs to be done. Now, every vehicle we get guys, we'll make at least 200 videos. Our goal to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe and let's start on it now. So this is guys the oil pump. Okay, let me turn the light on. That's what the oil pump looks like. Now that oil pump is on the crankshaft, but let me explain what needs to be done to get to it. First guys, you will need to remove your upper intake. Upper intake will need to come out because you will need to remove valve covers. You cannot remove the valve covers without removing the upper intake. And again, all that is on the channel. Next, you will need to guys remove the timing cover. Okay, so you can get to that part. But in order to remove the timing cover, the serpentine belts will need to be removed. Crankshaft pulley, some special tools will be needed to get the belts tight. So all that will be on the channel. And after that, okay, you will be able, okay, if you remove your fender liner here, to get to the side of the engine. You will need to guys remove the engine mount. Okay, engine mount will need to be removed, and this is your timing cover out of the way. Okay, now good and bad news. You have to be extremely careful how you remove that timing cover because it's paper thin here, and we did break ours. We cracked it in two. So we're waiting on new parts now. Once you remove all the bolts, okay, that cover, it has really good amount of sealant because otherwise you'll be leaking oil from the side of the engine, and that sealant is holding really strong, so be careful guys. Okay, when you pry on it, just don't go too crazy because that thing does break very easy. And next, once you remove it, you'll be able to get to the timing chain. Okay, timing chain and everything else here. You will need to remove the timing chain. This is our timing chain here. All that will need to be removed. And next guys, you're going to see your water pump is right here. It's a chain driven pump, so replace it. Now will be the time. Don't wait for later, because if you do guys, you have to do the job again. This is your crankshaft down there. Okay, this is the crankshaft, and you have only 3 bolts that attach the pump to the side of the engine. 1, 2, 3 bolts. Okay, this is the downside of the pump, facing down. And here it's the suction tube that goes in the oil pan. It attaches with only 2 bolts. So once you get to that point guys, you have only 5 bolts to remove the whole pump. Okay, this is the suction tube, and then the pump just attaches with 3 bolts, okay, to the engine right here. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you trying to do that job. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos, and thank you guys for watching us, and hopefully we can save you some money.